We are a professional manufacturer based in China, specializing in roll-forming machines, tube mill lines, solar mounting channel production lines, and upright rack machine lines. This upright rack machine delivers high-precision forming to make standard warehouse rack uprights. Easy operation and convenient maintenance reduce your later usage expense. Each unit undergoes 72+ hours of trial runs with live material before shipment. Equipped with a brand-name motor, this machine increases production by 40% compared to conventional models. This machine works extremely efficiently. Fully automatic PLC control greatly cuts manual labor and improves production efficiency. Steelmama always give you proper solution.